Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Jennifer. I wanted to share a quick project with you. It's I guess like a scrap buster kind of project. Using the scraps from the folio I made in a previous video. We take the scraps from the file folders that we cut down to make this one and turn it into this little file folder flip down folio thing. I intend on gluing this piece in on a journal page, but I have it tied up with sari silk here. I made a little pocket here on the front and flips up, and journaling space, another little pocket, and then more journaling space as it flips open. And then it just secures all up in a cute little pockets. And like I said, just with the scraps from that file folder. When I made that one, I just kind of folded, not really having any measurements. And I have some measurements for you now, so it'll be a little more precise. So what you'll need is your scoreboard, and you'll just take that factory fold and just put it right up against your board here. And I've got the side, I'm doing the side first. It's got the other factory folds in it. I'm putting it in there like score at 4 3/4. Okay, and then from there you'll just flip it around and do 4 1/2. Or you could just fold it, willy-nilly and see what happens. I'm also just going to trim off these flaps here, just make a straight edge. Okay, and then so I've got the 4 1/2 mark down here. I'm just going to fold it up, kind of straighten it out. And notice that there is a gap between the end and the factory fold that allows you to fold it up without it interfering. And then the same thing here also, there's a gap, which is what you want. And just fold it down. And then that's it. It's 1 2 3. That's the base. We'll straighten it out as much as I can get it straight. And then from there you'll just add got pockets. So now you just pick out whatever papers, these will fit perfectly. Little acorns, it's really cute. The leaves, the harvest, pumpkins, pears. Before I move on and glue this piece down, the little pocket on the front, I'm going to go ahead and make the closure. I'm going to make this piece here, and I attach it to the pocket, and then attach the pocket to the piece itself. So all I use is a 1-inch hole punch. You could use what I used to do before I got one, but you could just buy one anyways. I used to take lids of my ink stains and sprays and trace those and cut all that out, but I highly would just recommend spending the money and getting a little punch. So I'm just going to do 2 or 3, a little scrap file folder, and then I'm going to take some more scrap that I got and just do another punch for the top. It's going to be like the decorative piece. And then before I glue them all together, I just ink the sides. take a hole punch, kind of center it up, eyeball it, and then I'm going to put it like this, same hole punch on the card too. I'm going to leave a little space down here at the end because I want to stitch around the edge. I think that's the right side, yeah, okay. Okay, and then get a brad. I like the gold. And there we go. And then I'll just secure that down and continue putting the papers on. Found this scrap in my pile of papers that I was using from last year. I had a fussy cut the pumpkins out, and I have this whole strip, and I thought that would be really cute right there. And it got me thinking last year, like what what we were all going through, and can't believe it's already been a year, and it's amazing how much I've grown on this, I guess, channel and in this community, and what I've learned from everybody else on YouTube, and what I feel comfortable sharing with what I've learned from watching everybody. And I'm more than happy to share things with you guys too. So just a little food for thought, I guess, there, that it's just amazing how time flies. I've got everything pretty covered. Got all the coffee stain paper and the fall papers are all glued down. I'm going to add the trim to the back, the sari silk. Like a perfect reddish brown fall color. Just add some glue to the back. Secure that down. And then that'll flip up and just tie around there. Pull it in. Like that. Gotta work it a little bit to go in, and then you can leave it long. You can add a charm. I like to add a charm to it. I'm gonna stitch around this also, but I have this piece I'm gonna add to the back to cover it up. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna add this to a journal, or I could do a giveaway. That would be fun. I haven't done one of those. I haven't done a giveaway yet. This could be my first giveaway. So that's interesting. That could be a good idea. Just a cute little giveaway. So if you think that's a good idea, just maybe leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, if that's a good idea for a giveaway. A little cute fold down folio. And And that's it. Cute little simple 1, 2, 3, using up some scraps. So like I said, I definitely appreciate everybody, the new subscribers, the first subscribers I've ever had. It's a great community, and I'm very thankful to be a part of it. It's been very helpful with the past year and 2 years, year and a half, however long we've been through all this. But definitely appreciate you. Thank you very much. And I'll hope to hear from you in the comments. Let me know. Take care.